Hello guys, it's me Samira Youssef and welcome back to our channel. Ayan, how are you doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. And for today's vlog, I'm going to share with you guys on how to use StreamYard because some YouTubers with 200 to 300 subscriber, they cannot come live on YouTube. But there's another way for you to come live using StreamYard. Using StreamYard guys, StreamYard apps. You can come live. You can do live stream on your YouTube channel, even though you only have 200, 300, or something like that subscriber. So you can still come live on YouTube. And I'm gonna show you how. Okay, I hope I can share it to you very clear. Okay, let's start, guys. This is the first step. You can go to Google and then you can type here. You can type here StreamYard. StreamYard. Okay. StreamYard login. So I'm gonna click this one. So as you can see, there is a create broadcast here. You can click this. Click create broadcast. Nakita ko kasi your PC is being slowed by broken registry items, junk programs, system junk. What's this? Can I click this one? Resolve? My goodness. Ayan, create broadcast. Okay, we can click this one, create broadcast, and then you can see here your YT channel. Click here, click. Okay, and then you can put a title here. Okay, let's type the title. Try using StreamYard. Ayan. That's an example, guys. Example only. And then click create broadcast. You can also put a description here if you like. And then create broadcast. Yan. I'm sorry guys, my internet is very slow. And then because my camera is not working now, so just click join without mic. So what's your what do you want to put here? You can write there your name or nickname or whatsoever. So like for example Samira Youssef, and guys, display name, diba? And then it will appear on your live stream. So we're gonna click enter without microphone or cam. Yan. There you go, guys. And then you can click here. You can click this one. So, yan. Makikita nyo yung nyo dito. You can see your photo here. You can just click. Since we don't have camera and microphone, so you cannot see my photo here. So, once you click that, your photo here, it will go to here. So, after that, you will going to press the go live here on the upper right side, go live. And then that's it. That's very simple. And then if you want someone to join in the panel, just click invite. This one, invite. Click invite. And then you can see the you can see copy to clipboard. Click this one, copy to clipboard. Okay, and then paste here. Just paste it here. Paste this one, paste, and then chat. Ayan. So there you go, guys. Ayan. So that your friends will, if your friends see that link, they can go up in the panel and join you. Ayan. That's very easy, guys. Ayan. I'm sorry, my camera is not working now, so this is just black. This screen is black. But if I have the camera here, you can just click your photo here, then it goes directly into into this area. Then invite, copy to the clipboard, and then paste. Yan. Don't forget to press this go live so that everyone can see you live. Yan. And that's it. I hope I can help you to come live on your YouTube channel. Ayan, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Ayan, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day and God bless everyone. I love you all. Comment down below, guys.